Yes, everyone. This I already told you in the previous class. Now start doing its answer. Tell me what will be the statement. Jaldi se. Ashray, tell me the statement.
The statement will be.
Ashray, all of you are not Ashray.
Yes.
Ashray, tell me the statement, beta.
Yes, ma'am. I am telling you. Wait for a bit.
Ashray, tell me the statement.
Ma'am, please wait for a bit. I am take outing bit because my
Take outing nahi hota, I am
period
going
is
to take out. Leave one line for kilogram and gram. Ansh Patel, switch on your camera.
Ma'am, the third one.
Fourth one.
Okay, ma'am.
Be quick.
Weight
And I can ask anyone. So be ready with the book page number 164.
Weight of.
Weight of?
Weight of 2 kg and 150
No,
gram.
beta. No, beta. Question answer will be weight of carrots. Weight of carrots.
Weight of carrot, weight of tomato, and weight of potato.
Weight of
Yes,
potatoes.
very good.
Weight of tomatoes.
Tomatoes. And the third one is? Hey, second one is potatoes. Second one is potatoes. Third one is tomatoes.
Ma'am, but what about first, second, and third question?
You were present in the previous class or not? Tell me. Were you present in the previous class? Akshat?
No, ma'am.
So better to see the recording of those questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Don't disturb like that if you were not present in the previous class. Now write weight of tomatoes. See, weight of potatoes. How many weight of potatoes? Carrot. Sorry, what is the weight of carrot? Quickly tell me.
The weight of carrot is 2 kg 150 gram. 2 kg 150 gram.
150
2 kg
gram.
150 gram.
Okay, what is the weight of potatoes?
The weight of potato is 9 kg 450 gram.
9 kg
450 gram.
450 grams. Okay, weight of tomatoes?
The weight of tomatoes is 7 kg 307 grams. 308 grams.
Okay, right here, total weight of vegetables.
Then we have to write this in our copy.
Who's asking this question? Who's asking this question? Tell me your name. What is your name? Anmol or Yashwant? Anmol ने पूछा ये question या यशवंत ने?
Ma'am Parmeet. Ma'am, I didn't ask.
Beta, everything is mentioned on the board. What is written here? Maths fair notebook. So total weight of the vegetables, 3 more. What do you mean by bought? What do you mean by bought?
Bought, ma'am, bought means buying. I'm buying something.
To buy something. Very good. To buy something is bought. To buy something. It is the second form of B-U-Y, buy. Rishika, are you doing it? And do not leave lines in between. Hey, hey, hey. Do not leave the lines in between. Let me take the attendance by the time of your class. By the time you are doing this. Yashmit, please keep your mic off always. This is not a way to keep your mic on every time. Okay.
Yes,
Everyone has
ma'am.
done? Everyone has done it?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, now tell me what is the answer coming?
18 kg. Ma'am, 18 kg, 908 gram. 908 grams.
908 are.
I'm 908.
Got it? This is the answer. Just give me a minute.
Yes.
Okay, everyone check your answers once again. Those who have not done it. I'll send the answer on WhatsApp if you have not done
Ma'am,
it.
correct. Answer is correct.
Okay. Okay, next question now. Okay, let's proceed to the next question. A woman, for fifth one we will do in notebook. Fifth one we'll do in notebook. Okay, Bhavya, read the fifth question.
Okay, ma'am. The woman who waited.
The woman है. हाँ Bhavya, the woman है.
A woman
A woman.
who,
Hmm.
a woman who weighted 72 kilograms, 349 grams, joint and weight lose clinic. He lose 23.
She lost. Lost बेटा. Lose नहीं है वो second वाला lost है.
Ma'am, in my book there is written lose.
अच्छा lose है. Okay. Hmm.
He lost 23 kilograms,
Hmm.
567 grams.
हाँ.
How much does he weigh now?
Okay, can you explain me this question, Bhavya? Can you explain me this question, Bhavya?
Ma'am, what means?
Can you explain me this question? What is the story going on here?
Women in this story, the
Huh.
woman
A woman, not the woman. It's not the woman, it's a woman.
23 kilograms, 560 grams.
Hmm. So then what happened? Beta, you know, people try to lose their weight when people try to lose their weight. When people try to lose their weight.
When they are fat.
They are fat.
Ma'am, when they are fat.
Okay, when they are fat, when they are healthy, when they have more weight than that is needed.
Also.
Okay.
In this story, we have to tell
Huh.
now the woman has how much weight.
Okay, now look here. See, people try to lose their weight. So a woman is here. एक woman है, and she's trying to lose her weight. She joined a weight loss clinic. There are some clinics जहाँ weight loss होता है. Suppose अभी आप 72 kgs. Her weight was how much? 72 kg and 349 grams. This was her weight. So she joined. What happened? She joined one. See, listen. This is as a story, not in the book. This is not written in book. Just look at me, and you can just find it out. There is one woman or a girl or anything you can consider. You can consider yourself also. Suppose your weight is 72 kgs and you join a weight loss club. You joined a weight loss club and weight loss clinic, and she lost. Lost means ho jana, khatam ho jana, to leave something. So she lost weight. How much lost did she weigh? 23 kg. Suppose weight is lost from her. So now you have to tell how much weight is her now. How will you calculate it?
Ma'am, by subtracting.
Ma'am, in this, he is
By subtracting.
Very good. By subtracting. क्या subtract करोगे किसमें से? Don't tell me the number. आप किस weight में से कौन सा weight subtract करोगे? मुझे ये बता दो.
That she has and subtract that she lost.
Very good. Very good. We will subtract the weight she was having before joining this clinic. Before joining the clinic, how much weight she was having and how much she lost. Lost means what? What do you mean by weight loss? What do you mean by weight loss? To leave something, है ना? To lose something means to leave something, but खोना होता है. वैसे हिंदी में आप बोलते हो, when you speak in Hindi, it is खो जाना. खो जाना in Hindi. Okay, leave, loss. Leave तो it's to leave something. To छोड़ देना होता है. Leave is छोड़ देना and loss means खो जाना. Lost, loss, loss is lost जो होता है बेटा is the second verb की form से. ठीक है? So she lost some weight. उसने कुछ weight खो दिया. And weight loss के लिए क्या होता है? Weight loss का मतलब होता है थोड़ा सा weight drop हो जाना. आपका weight कम हो जाना. To drop some weight. Okay, that is lost weight. So she lost some weight. Now you have to tell how much weight is left. How much weight she now? How much weight she is having? जितना उसका पहले था, उसमें से आप अब वाला minus कर दोगे. Simple. Okay, now can you tell me the statements? Can you tell me the first statement? Kunal, Kunal, tell me the first statement. Kunal, no. Kunal will tell me.
Ma'am, next turn, can I tell?
No. Bhavya, don't speak like this next time. Enough is enough. Kunal, are you here, beta? I think he left. Okay, Kanav will tell me. Kanav. ये दो तीन ऐसे ना कभी म्यूट नहीं करते अपने आप.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I write my own statements?
Yes, beta, of course, but it should be correct. You can frame your correct. Beta, it is very nice that Abhineet, please keep your mic off. And Stuti, you also. Bhavya, keep your mic off. Keep your mic off, Bhavya.
I have off.
Okay. Arkan, tell me the statement jaldi se quickly. Arkan, beta, tell me the statement. I think.
Ma'am,
हाँ, बोलो.
Ma'am, I don't know.
What is this? Mokshit, beta, you tell. Mokshit.
The weight women have.
Weight women had. Very good. Weight women had. पहले कितना था? Had means she was having how much before. So how much weight she was having before? 72
kg and 349 grams.
Very good. What will be the second statement then, Mokshit?
Ma'am, the weight woman lost.
Weight she lost. Okay. No need to write women again and again. We'll use from pronouns so that it may look nice. Weight she lost. How much weight did she lost? How much weight did she lost?
23 kilogram and 567 gram.
567 gram. Beta, you can frame your own sentences, but it should be correct. Okay. Weight of women. क्या पूछा है? Now. Weight of women now. So, weight of women is now. Write it down. Solve it quickly.
Ma'am,
Mm.
I the statement. First statement is total weight, then weight loss, then weight
ठीक है, correct.
Mom, I've done.
Let others also come.
Kilogram. 48 kilogram.
40.
95 kilogram. 48 kilogram. 782 gram.
782. 782.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't
Yes,
know. I'm
ma'am.
believing you, beta. I'm just believing you. I'm not calculating it myself. I'm just believing you people only. कि आप ठीक बता रहे हो. Got it? Let me click the picture of this.
Ma'am.
Yes, now let's proceed to the next question now. You have sent it on, I will send these questions on WhatsApp also. Don't worry about it. Okay. Now, Agrita, read the next question. Agrita, read the next question. Question number 6.
Okay, ma'am. A shopkeeper has to
It's not a
divide.
shopkeeper question. Question number 6, you have to read. I'm going to rub this, but I'll send this answer on WhatsApp. Agrita, it is not of a shopkeeper.
Ma'am, a box containing books weight 34 kg, 245 gram. If the empty box weight 7 kg, 657 gram, what was the weight of the books?
Yes. Can you explain me this question, Agrita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
Ma'am, can I explain in Hindi?
Okay, chalo, chalega. But try to be in English. Explain in English.
Okay.
Explain.
Ma'am, a box containing books weight 34 kg, 200 books weight 34 kg, 245 gram. If empty box weight 7 kg, 657 gram, what was the weight of books?
Okay, बेटा आप एक काम करो.
Yes, ma'am.
आप नहीं. Yatharth, can you explain me this question?
Ma'am, there is a box containing.
Can you show me one box, Yatharth? Can you show me one box?
Ma'am,
Can you show me one box? This is a box. Okay, this is a box and it is containing some books. And it is having some books in it. Okay.
Ma'am,
Now you can explain.
its weight is 34 kilogram and 245 gram.
Okay.
If the empty box weighs,
What do you mean by empty box? What do you mean by empty box?
ma'am, they which do not have anything.
Not have anything. Okay. Can you show me like in your box?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this is an
Ma'am,
empty box. Yes.
yes, ma'am.
If this is an empty box, then what is the weight of
Then
this empty box?
7 kilogram and 657 gram.
Okay, very good. Now what you have to tell me, what is the weight of these books? जो इसमें सामान था वो books थी, उसका weight निकालना है. Can you show me that things? Can you show me that things which you have taken out?
Ma'am, this.
Yes, very good. Now you have to find out those weight. Okay. Then you have to find out those weight. How will you find it out? Can tell me.
Ma'am, we
multiply.
No.
ma'am,
We
we
divide.
divide.
See, beta. No. Beta, इतना easy है. See, this is my
We
box.
subtract.
Yes,
we
very good.
subtract.
Very good. It is an easy question. Just look here, everyone. This is one box I am having. What is this? This is a box. Okay. This is a box. And in this box, I am having some books. I am having some books. Now I weight this thing. Now I weight this box. The weight of this box is coming. When I weight this box, so मैंने ऐसे books रखी हुई थी इसके अंदर. There are some books here. Okay. There are some books here in this box. And the weight of this box now is how much? 34 kg suppose. Now the weight of this box is 34 kg. Now I take out the books and I find out the weight of this box. Now the weight of box is 7, how much kgs? 7 kg. Now I have to find out the weight of the books. How will I find out the books? जब मैंने मुझे ऐसे weight पता है box का और मुझे weight पता है ऐसे box का. How will I find out the weight of the books? कैसे find करो books का weight?
Then we will subtract the.
Ma'am, we subtract the weight of the empty box.
We will subtract from this weight. इस वाले box में से बेटा देखो इस वाले box में से आप box हटा दो. इस वाले box में से आप box हटा दो तो आपको किसका weight मिल जाएगा? Books का. Look here carefully. Look here carefully. See here. इस वाले box में से अगर आप ये वाला weight हटा दोगे, basket का box हटा दोगे, weight हटा दोगे तो आपको weight of books मिल जाएगा. Okay, got it? Okay, now let's see. Okay, now let's see what will be the statement. First statement, tell me quickly. Arav, tell me the statement. Jaldi se Arav will tell me. Arav, tell me. जल्दी से बताओ बेटा, आज से फिनिश करना है. 2 questions are more left. Weight of box. Weight of what is given here? The box. Weight of box. Containing books भी लिख सकते हो, with books भी लिख सकते हो. We will make short statement. मैं short statement बनाने के लिए यहाँ पर with books with books. Weight of box with books. I make small statements. You always try to make small statement. Containing books नहीं लिखोगे, with books लिख लोगे तो भी okay होगा. Containing बहुत बड़ा word है. Okay. So with books में कितना आ जाएगा? 34 kgs and 245 gram. If you want to write containing, the containing is also correct word. Then you will write weight of empty box. Weight of empty box. So the weight of empty box is how much? 7 kg. 07 you will write then 657 gram. Oh. 7 gram. You will subtract it. You will get the weight of books. Find out the weight of books here. And write first statement here. So the weight of books is dash kg and dash. Complete it quickly.
Ma'am, please tell the answer because class will over.
I will tell it myself. I know very well when to tell the answers and when to not tell. Okay.
No.
I am the teacher here. I know very well what to do and what not to do. Please don't tell me, please do this.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay. Okay, Vinha.
Ma'am, I have also done.
Okay, very good. Okay, tell me the answer quickly. Jaldi se batao.
Ma'am, the answer is 25 kg and 588 gram.
588.
588 gram.
Is it correct? Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Period is going to be over, so write it quickly. I will send all the answers after the last period. 0 period से पहले भेजूंगी सारे answers, okay? नहीं, 0 period के बाद I will send. 0 period के बाद I will send the answers. इसके बाद we will do.
Okay, ma'am. Bye bye, ma'am.
अभी one more period I'm having. Wait, बेटा. अभी एक और period है मेरा last period. Okay? In last period again I'll come here.
Okay, bye. Bye bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
beta.
Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am, for
everyone.
teaching us.
We will do just नहीं last two
Bye,
questions.
ma'am.
आज बेटा finish करना है ये कैसे भी. Okay, bye everyone. Enjoy your day. We will just meet in after one more period.
Bye, ma'am.